Okay, so it looks like these two screws right here hold a bracket that hold the computer. So let's get those undone real quick here. I'm going to try to hold the camera while I do this so I can make another video, a little bit more content. Okay, so I mean, this is cool as you know what, I mean, getting something like this working on a car that's 40 years old. This is probably one of the biggest things I've done so far. I mean, next to getting the cruise control working properly too. That was really cool. So it looks like this thing should be released. Let's see what happens. Okay, there it is. So you can see it's on a bracket. That's the old one. It's coming out. So let's see here. Okay, so I just replaced the auto headlamp computer. Well, I haven't replaced it yet. I just plugged it in. If anybody's ever wondering, this is where the fuse is. It's actually kind of tucked in behind the fuse block right here, so you don't have to take apart all the stuff that I did here. Okay, I did a lot of work I didn't have to do, but hey, I didn't know where it was, so whatever. But anyways, so it's hooked up. It seems to be working fine, so we're gonna do a live. Okay. So here's the auto lamp switch. We're going to turn it to on. Okay. So you can see it's on right now. Okay. And we'll sit here and wait. And there it went. Turned off. Okay. Okay, they're closed. Okay, let's take my hat. Hopefully my hat will make it dark enough. It should. Okay, we'll take my hat. Let's put it over it. Come on, baby. Oh! Whew. Okay, hold on. Okay. Take the hat off. Let the sensor. Come on. Okay, so I think I figured out what burned out the last headlamp amplifier. There's an aftermarket alarm in here. Okay, and you can kind of see it right there, right? Well, the parking lamps were tapped into this brown wire right here, right? Well, whenever you turn the alarm, or you arm the alarm and disarm the alarm, right, the parking lamps flash. Well, what that in turn does is that means that the alarm for a brief second is backfeeding voltage into this amplifier. So I didn't want to lose the parking lamps with the aftermarket alarm, because I like having the alarm. So what I did was I incorporated a relay, as you can see, and I wired it all in here. And basically what this does is when the headlamps are off, there is not continuity between this wire and this wire, and that allows the alarm to separately trigger the parking lamps right here, and it can't backfeed through the relay. So hopefully that'll eliminate this piece failing again. I can't guarantee that's what the problem was to begin with, but I can tell you this much. It was not designed to have voltage backfeeding into it. So, anyways, moving right along, I'm about to put this thing up there and mount it. Everything seems to be working A-okay. Anyways, let me get this thing wrapped up. Okay, everything is back together. We are going to test the auto lamps. So real quick, it works pretty dang quick. Okay. Okay, they automatically turn on. Okay, there they are. Okay, so the lamps are on automatically. Okay, so we'll take a flashlight and I'm gonna shine it into the sensor. There they go. They just turned off. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up and get in front of it. I'll turn the flashlight off. There they go. They're on. Okay. Now there's a courtesy feature. So what happens is when you turn the vehicle off, I don't know if it's a requirement to close the door or not, but I do know that you don't have to lock it. Okay. So the vehicle's off, keys in my hand. Okay, and as a courtesy feature, all the lights stay on as the passengers exit the vehicle. And I don't remember what the determined time is, but it does work. There they go.